everyone, Radhe Radhe. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Dark Creative Moon. This is my first ever full-fledged YouTube video. I have waited so long to make this one and it's very special to me. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, this channel is all about makeup, skincare, beauty, fashion. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so this video is all about the affordable makeup finds. I'll show you all the products that you can use on daily basis, or if you go to office, college. All these products will be affordable, beginner friendly and under rupees 350. Trust me, you gonna love all of these products. Do not miss this video. Watch this video till the end and I hope you like it. Let's get started with the look. First step is to moisturize the skin. I'll be using Dot & Key Berry Repair Moisturizer. It's one of my favorite and makes the skin super nourished. To moisturize the lips, I'm using cult favorite Vaseline Lip Care. It makes it easier to apply lipstick at the end. Beginning with the primer, using Inside Cosmetics Hydrating Primer. It makes the perfect canvas skin for your makeup to glide on. To give the best glow to my makeup base, I apply Lumi Creme and it's from Lakme. Most concise color corrector palette from Inside Cosmetics. To fill all our imperfections on the face, we'll make a detailed video on how to use all these shades in this palette. Next up is a liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 03. Apply it on all spots. You apply the correctors and blend it so it settles all the spots and gives the perfect base for your foundation. Now comes the foundation. Here I am using the Lakme 925 liquid foundation in the shade W120 Warm Cream. What do you say about it? I love it to the core. It blends so smoothly, giving subtle finish. Get this now if you don't have one. After the base, let's get done with the eyes. Here is my go-to palette from Mars Cosmetics. It has all amazingly pigmented shades that suits all my looks. Now if you're looking for a blush that gives you an amazing flush to your cheeks and blends like a dream, then here you go my friend. It's from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Raspberry Gelato. Trust me, this is all you need for nice subtle looks. And there's another gem from Inside Cosmetics. It's their highlighter in the shade Mermaid Scale and truly blends like butter. Coming back to the eyes, I'm using this liquid eyeliner from Myglamm. I like how fast it dries and stays for pretty long time. This mascara from Mars Cosmetics, oh my god, it makes my lashes look so fuller. Usually I either use Kajal or eyeliner but tried both for this look and used Renee Hard Black Kajal Pen. It's smudge proof and waterproof. Comment down which eye looks better with or without Kajal. And the magic wand of this compact from Faces Canada gives the best finish to my makeup and it looks amazing. No greasiness for hours. I absolutely love the way this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer melts my makeup into the skin. Absolutely no complaints. Last but not the least, the set of 3 lip shades from Mars is my absolute favorite and perfect shades for daily wear and works at all events. I love the finish. Wait, the look isn't complete without my bindi. Yeah, there you go. This is my final look I created using all my favorite products. I'll be adding the link to all these products in my description. Do have a look and you can buy it from there. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be back again with another amazing video. Do tell me what you want to watch next and I hope you like my video. Please like and share this and comment if you have any other options and opinions about the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.